So today I'm going to talk about the biggest problems to find capital for your deals. Let's get to it. So hey, my name is Moran Pober and I'm here to help you buy businesses and build wealth that way. I'm here to share with you my journey in the last few years in the business buying world, and I'm also the founder of Acquisitions.com. So one of the biggest problems I see that people are having in this space of buying businesses is, let's say, they know how to position yourself, they find a deal, they negotiate a deal, but then they don't know how to raise capital for those deals or how to structure deals the right way to be able to attract the right capital for their deals. The first big problem that I see with people who try to raise capital is they just don't believe it's even possible. And what you need to remember is that many companies out there started in a garage. Some of the biggest companies out there, I mean, heck, Apple, Facebook started in a college dorm, right? They started from nothing and they eventually were able to raise capital. You need to understand that capital is out there. It's out there, it's looking for people who know how to position themselves, who have the right strategy and system, and have the right deal in place as well. You also need to be aware that most ideas and most people who try to raise capital, they have awful ideas. It's like if you're familiar with the TV show Shark Tank, the last season is becoming really good. Like they have good businesses, good fundamentals, good financials. But if you look at the first season, especially the first and the second, there are people with awful ideas, with no business whatsoever, who try to raise a lot of capital. So obviously for those people who have awful ideas, awful businesses, or basically no business yet, it's going to be really, really difficult to raise capital. But if you come with the right business, with the right idea, with the right people behind you, with the right structure behind you, and you know how to talk to those potential financial partners, it's a completely different game. And if you want to learn more how that works, open a new tab in the meantime and search for business buying case study in my channel so you see the numbers and how that works and how you can approach capital and get capital. In the end of the day, you have problems raising capital because you don't believe in yourself and you don't surround yourself with the people who've been there and done that and have the structure on exactly what type of capital you can access to. If it's different asset-based lenders or cash flow lenders or equity lenders that can help you with your deals. But if you're not surrounding yourself with people who've been there, done that, it's going to be super difficult for you to even believe it's possible or get access to those things. Another problem I see with people is that they just focus on the wrong industries. Some industries are going to be much easier for you to raise capital to. Other industries are going to be almost impossible for you to raise capital to, either by the fact that there are not enough investors in that sector, or just that the option for you to be successful in that sector is almost nothing. And you need to remember that when investors are looking to invest in a deal, they care first about their downside. Can you protect their downside? Can you at least not lose money? If you can project that, then they will care about returns that you can help them with. Another problem I see with people who look to raise capital is that they're just not all in. They want to do deals, they want to buy businesses, but they're not all in. They're not willing to sign personal guarantees, they're not willing to raise capital from their friends and family if needed. You need to understand that if you're personally not willing to put some skin in the game, that if you are not comfortable pitching your mom or your brother into joining your deals, it means that you personally don't believe in the deal enough, or you personally don't believe in yourself enough. And if that's the case, you need to think and be objective. Why would someone else be open to look at your deals and you, if you're not looking to do it yourself? And you need to remember, many people tell me, hey, how can I sign personal guarantees if I don't have assets to back it up? It doesn't matter. The fact that you're willing to do that will play completely different thing when you talk to financial institutions, when they see that you're willing to put some skin in the game and willing to risk something even if you don't have anything. I mean, worst case, you'll bankrupt. And you need to understand there's nothing wrong about that. That's why you see people like Donald Trump to file bankruptcy a few times. It's part of the world, it's part of business. And if you know how to structure things well, you're going to cover your downside very, very well. And if you want to see the differences, go and call a few financial institutions. To one institution, tell them I'll do whatever it takes, I'm all in, I'll sign personal guarantees, I'll do whatever you need from me, I'll raise capital for my friends and family. For the other one, tell them, hey, you know what, I just want capital, but I'm not willing to be all in. And see the differences and different responses that you're getting from people. So I hope you got some value in this video. If you did, please like and subscribe if you didn't yet, and comment below, let me know what you think. It really helps with the algorithm in my channel. And if you're not sure about what industry to pick in order to raise capital to, that's exactly why I created this video on how to pick an industry. So go and check that out right now, and I'll see you there soon. Click here right now.